Welcome to the Heart and Body Naturals Incentive Plan Overview for 2019. Since we will be discussing income today, the FTC requires that we inform you that no figures that you see or hear in this presentation are a promise or guarantee of any income. Although the opportunity with Heart and Body Naturals is unlimited, individual results will vary and depend on things like market conditions, commitment levels, and sales skills of each individual participant. Success with Heart and Body Naturals is a result of hard work, dedication, and leadership. With Heart and Body Naturals, everyone has the opportunity to earn. We offer a free membership, and you can qualify to earn commissions on the orders placed by your personal members with no personal purchase required. There are no caps or limits to how much you can earn every day. Heart and Body Naturals is free to join. There are no website, membership, or annual fees. You simply pay for the products that you'd like to purchase. We offer daily commissions that are paid out in real time just by sharing our life-enhancing products. At Heart and Body Naturals, it really does pay to stay active. As long as you remain active with at least 25 PSV or personal sales volume every 30 days, the volume in your organization will continue to accumulate below you until you're eligible to earn on those commissions. And with our member rewards program, it pays even more to stay active. The member rewards program, abbreviated MRP, is an optional monthly auto delivery reward program that enables members to receive free product points on their monthly auto delivery purchases. All first-time orders and monthly auto delivery orders receive member rewards points, starting at 5% and up to 30% back in points just for ordering your favorite products on your monthly auto delivery order. These points can be used to redeem free products in our shopping cart. Heart and Body Naturals pays our consultants in 7 ways. We took the best parts of retailing, unilevel pay, force matrix pay, infinity bonuses, and company-wide profit-sharing pools and combined them into a simple, honest, and easy-to-achieve 7 ways to earn incentive plan, where everyone has a real opportunity to earn. We will be discussing each of these ways in a little bit more detail. The first way you can earn is retail commissions, and these are paid instantly. When a customer purchases from your free personalized shophbn.com retail website, you earn 50% of the CV or commissionable volume of their order. There are no requirements to earn retail commissions, and the really great thing is on top of the 50% commission, retail orders automatically pay 50% of the CV into your binary pay leg where you can earn even more. The nice thing about the retail commissions is you don't have to worry about inventory, you don't have to worry about shipping. We take care of all that. You simply earn by sharing your free retail website, and there are no requirements at all. This bonus is paid out in real time that same day just for sharing the products. The second way to earn is the Fast Start bonus. This again is paid instantly. With the Fast Start bonus, you earn 20% of the CV on all wholesale orders placed by your personally enrolled members during their first 90 days of enrollment. Plus, you can qualify to earn on the sales of your second and third generation members as well. There are no requirements to earn the first generation Fast Start bonus. And on top of the commissions you get in your e-wallet, 50% of the CV of these orders will automatically be placed in the binary. And after a customer's first 90 days of enrollment, 100% of the CV of their orders will be placed into the binary. Plus, when you purchase a value pack and maintain a 100 PV monthly auto delivery order, you can earn an additional 10% first generation Fast Start bonus for a total of 30% on your personally enrolled members, and receive 10 free gift cards every month to use in building your business. The star bonus is the third way to earn with Heart and Body Naturals, and that's a monthly bonus. Right now we're running a spring promotion with this bonus, and you can qualify to earn with a 100 CV order during the month. Once you're qualified, you can earn the first level, which is a $50 bonus, and that's paid when you have 2 first-generation or personally enrolled members, each with 100 CV order during the month. Then once you've earned that bonus, you can qualify to earn the $75 second level, paid to you when you have 4 second-generation members, each with 100 CV order during the month. And the third level can be earned once you've qualified for the other 2. That's a $100 bonus, paid when you have 8 third-generation members, each with a 100 CV order during the month. The star bonus allows the consultant to not only break even, but to get in profit quickly with the ability to earn unlimited monthly bonuses with a team of only 14 members, just by sharing Heart and Body Naturals life-enhancing products at wholesale prices. The fourth way you can earn is the Matrix bonus. This is paid out every Friday. And you can earn 25 cents or $1 for every 50 CV order placed by customers under you in the Matrix, no matter who enrolled them. To qualify to earn on the sales in your Matrix, you need to have either 25 or 50 PV, that's personal volume, generated from a personal purchase every 30 days. Based on your rank, you can earn up to 17 levels. The really great thing about the Matrix bonus is it's dynamically compressed every Thursday. And that means that if there's a member that's inactive or not eligible to earn the Matrix bonus, the commission will compress up and pay to the next qualified member. So if you look at this chart, you can see as a member or a wholesale customer, you're eligible to earn down 3 levels. Once you enroll your first member with 25 PV, you'll become a consultant. And then you'll be eligible to earn down 7 levels. And as you continue to grow in rank, you can see that your potential for earnings really, really do increase. Binary bonuses are the 5th way you can earn. These are a daily bonus again. And depending on your personal sales volume, PSV, you can qualify to earn 4, 8, or 12% every time there's 200 CV in one leg and 200 CV in the other. What's the HBN difference? Not only do you earn the Matrix bonus on your binary team, but you're also paid up to 12% on your pay leg. And that's paid to you instantly as soon as you have 200 CV in one leg and 200 in the other. Plus, as long as you keep your account active, the volume below you will not flush. Binary bonuses begin at executive rank. But if you're not yet an executive consultant, that is okay. Because as long as you have 25 PSV every 30 days, unpaid sales volume in both of your teams will automatically continue to accumulate and be stored, waiting for you to qualify and then earn. Binary match commissions are the 6th way to earn, and another daily bonus. This bonus pays you for developing leadership within your enrollment tree. When you help your team build, their success is your success. Starting at bronze, consultants can qualify to earn a check match of the binary commissions on executive consultants in their enrollment tree, up to 7 generations deep, with no limit to the number of checks you can match. Take advantage of ranks that can make your business stronger. Each rank is designed to ensure a strong foundation for your organization, both in structure and volume. Build your organization with these ranks in mind, and you'll be building your future. The 7th and final way you can earn is the rank advancement bonus. As your business grows and you reach the rank of Pearl or above, you can qualify for a guaranteed income rank advancement bonus. These bonuses are split into 10 monthly payments while rank is maintained. So for example, the total payout for Pearl is $5,000. That's split up into 10 monthly payments of $500 until you reach the total payout amount. If you drop in rank for any reason, your payments would cease. However, once your rank is maintained again, they would resume. At Heart and Body Naturals, everyone starts off as a wholesale customer. Once you place your first order with at least 25 PV and enroll a member with at least 25 PV, the system will automatically change you to a consultant. You can use this guide to see what is required for each rank. So, how do you qualify for commissions and bonuses? You must meet a minimum sales criteria of 25 personal sales volume, PSV, in order to meet the requirements for commissions and bonuses. Earnings are automatically deposited to your e-wallet. You can withdraw them to your PayQuicker account at any time. When your first withdrawal request is made through your back office, your PayQuicker account will be created and you'll receive an email with setup instructions. Once you have verified the account, a PayQuicker debit card can be ordered and will be paid for by Heart and Body Naturals' parent company, Green Organics LLC. You'll receive your card within 14 to 28 business days. And while you're waiting for your card to arrive, you can connect your PayQuicker account to a U.S. bank account and then transfer your earnings to that bank. These are common terms to know relating to the incentive plan. They're included in the PDF download version of this presentation, as well as in our Help Center at hbnhelp.com. To hear more about Heart and Body Naturals or for any questions you might have, please get back to the person who sent you this presentation. I want to personally thank you for joining us today and hope you all have a great day.